Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today, we're going to tap into a more advanced Blaze superpower that may not get the attention that it deserves. That's properties. Properties inside of Blaze allow you to stay organized and gain insights as you continue to build out your Blaze library. You can add and manage properties from all over Blaze, but let's start by opening up a project or a folder. I'm going to switch over to the table view and then click the project ellipses shown here. Then by going to properties, you'll notice that there are already a handful of properties listed. Some are hidden and some are shown. You can show or hide the property information in the table by clicking the eye icon next to the property. We encourage users to use any and all properties that make sense for them. The real power comes into play when you start to add your own properties. You can add your own properties to projects and folders and even global properties across all projects and folders. We're going to go ahead and start by adding a property to a project or folder. Let's add one by clicking Add Property. There are lots of different kinds of property types to choose from. I'm going to select Single Select. I regularly use Blaze to author documents, SOPs, and other administrative content for my coffee shop, Urban Roasters. So I'll add in some common categories to help identify the content. Okay, that works. You can always come back to add or edit the options later on if you need to. Click Add Property and then notice that a new column with the property information is added to the table. And by clicking a cell on the table, you can easily add the appropriate category or metadata that corresponds to your document or design. And by doing this, you can come back and filter your content using that metadata that you've just created. The secret to making this more powerful is structuring it around your own business and work. Let's say that you run a marketing agency and you're creating, let's say, 4 different types of content for a client. And by creating a property in your project and categorizing your posts by the 4 different kinds of content that you're creating, you can easily come back and see at a glance how much content you're creating for each of the channels. That's just one use case that we've seen, but the sky is the limit here. You can also edit and adjust properties from inside of Blaze documents as well. I've opened up this brainstorming document that I regularly use. And notice by navigating to the Properties pane that we can see the various properties listed, including that new administrative property that I just created. Here you can adjust the properties very easily while you're working on that one piece of content. You can also create additional properties from inside your document here as well. I mentioned earlier that you can create properties at the workspace level, so let's cover that next. Click the workspace icon on the top right corner of the screen, then click Settings. Locate and click the Properties category next to your workspace. As the guidance text listed here suggests that you can add properties here as well, and these properties will be available everywhere inside of Blaze. There are some suggestions here like team, projects, due date, but you could really make it for anything that you want, and you should. I have multiple coffee shop locations. I manage one, and my business partner Brandon manages the other. We both create content for both locations though, so a location category would be helpful for us. So that way we could easily see what content is location specific. To create a property, click New. Choose your property type, and for my situation, I'm gonna select Multi-Select. But again, there are lots of different type of properties you could choose from. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give my property a name. Locations. Then I'll click Add an Option and then type in the 2 names of the locations that my coffee shop are in. Seaside and Encinitas. Great. Then click Add Property. Notice you can also tell Blaze to make this property visible by default. I'm gonna go ahead and enable this. That way, when my business partner Brandon logs in, he'll already see this property visualized inside of Blaze documents and also inside the table view when he's looking at his projects. It might be easy to overlook something like properties when you first start out using Blaze. but it is a really powerful feature that can give you the ability to make Blaze even more perfect for your small business. Our most advanced users are taking advantage of it, and we can't wait to see how you implement it as well. Like this video so others can find it just as easily as you did. And make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.